Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kemry, and it seems that some people are having an issue with finding policy that they can use for their policy paper. So I'd like to show you very quickly a website that one of your peers found that I think might be really helpful for the rest of you. So as you can see, I'm on the CDC website and I'm under rural health. Now there's other health pages, right, other populations you can look at on the CDC website. So I want you to look here. If you go to just the list, and I'm going to close this list here for a minute, you'll see there's some plus signs, right, that are attached to certain topics, right, on this A to Z topic list. So when you click on that plus sign, it shows you what's underneath, right? So for arthritis, for example, there's no plus sign here, right? In antibiotic use, there isn't. But if I click on cancer and that plus sign, do you see where it says policy brief? That's a CDC policy, okay? So for the antibiotic one, which is the one, that page I happen to be on right now, this would not be a policy, right? This is just an explanation about antibiotic use in rural hospitals. So the CDC doesn't have a policy about that. But as you can see, for cancer, for childhood health, there's one. There's not one for COPD, because when I open this plus sign, it's just the COPD burden in rural America. So there's no policy. They have a statement about it, but no policy, right? Death leading causes, we don't have a policy. Diabetes, we do. Drug overdose, there's one, but Jerry got that one. And Jerry, thank you, Jerry, is the one that used this website to find her policy, right? So there's one for motor vehicle safety, and there's a couple other topics here that have policy briefs. So if you see something that says policy brief on the CDC website, click on that, and that will take you to their policy, right? The cancer policy brief for the CDC for rural health, right, in rural America. This is just one of, again, those specific population pages on the CDC website. You can go to the overall general CDC website and find other pages, but you're looking for something that specifically says it's a policy, right? Not a response to a policy, not a bill that policies can come out of when it becomes a law, things like that. You're looking for something that specifically says policy, just like here on the CDC website. So there are several policies on this website. Please check it out. Please make sure, though, when you select that policy that no one has posted that particular policy prior to you. And if they have, you're going to have to pick another policy because we can't have people doing the same policy, right? So there's plenty of policies out there. Here's just one place to look for them. Please take a look. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you, and I hope to see your post very soon.